This is the story of this little small alligator. Okay, he was very hungry. One day he was very hungry, and he started looking for some fish to eat. He started looking around everywhere, okay? And when he was looking around, he found two ponds. Pond, the first one and the second one, okay? The first one had inside it only two fish, but the second one had, let's count with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 fish. Okay, the alligator was very hungry. He started thinking, the two are not enough for me to eat. I want to eat the bigger number of fish, the more I can eat. So quickly he opened his mouth wide, and he jumped into the second pond, and he ate the 5 fish. So always KG2 know that when the alligator is hungry, he wants to eat more. So he opens his mouth to the bigger number of fish he can find to eat. Okay, he likes to eat too much because he is always very hungry. How can we do this? It's your turn now to do it. I will show you. Let's go to the next page. It's your turn now to show me which number of fish the alligator is gonna eat. This is the alligator mouth, okay? And maybe it's hard for you to draw it, so you can just do it using this sign. The red one here look just like the alligator's mouth. It opens to the bigger number. Always remember that the alligator wants to eat the bigger number of fish. The bigger number of fish. Let's go to the first exercise here. This is number, yes, excellent, 5. And here we have number 3. Which one is bigger, 5 or 3? Try to think. 5 means 5 fish, and 3 means only 3 fish. Which is bigger? Yes, excellent, 5. So the alligator is going to open his mouth wide to which number? The bigger number, which is 5. Excellent. See, this is the mouth of the alligator. It's opened to the bigger number. It's open to the bigger number. Let's move to the next one. Okay, we have number 4 and number 5. We have here, yes, read it. This is number 4 and this is number 5. Which one is bigger? Which one? Yes, number 5. So the alligator is going to open his mouth to number 5. Let's see his mouth. Okay, yes, it opened its mouth to number 5. How can I draw the alligator's mouth? I make a slash and another slash. But it has to open his mouth to the bigger number. Let's come here. This is number 1 and this is number 1 and this is number 2. Here I have only 1 fish and here we have 2 fish. Which one the alligator is going to choose to eat? He's going to choose number 2, so he's going to open his mouth to number 2. Yes, excellent. And when we draw his mouth, we go slash, slash. Okay? The last one, we have number 3 and number 2. Yes. Which one is bigger? Excellent. Which has more fish? Number 3. Yes, 3 fish is much more bigger than 2, right? It's bigger than 2. So the alligator is going to open his mouth to number 3. Yes, excellent. And see how did I do it? I went slash and slash. So always remember the alligator opens his mouth to the bigger number. He opens his mouth to the bigger number because he wants to eat too much. Okay. We are going to move now to another exercise. Here we have up here, this is the box. We have numbers inside the box. You have to read them. We will read them together, and then after that we're going to start counting and writing the correct number. But also remember, like I told you last time, whenever we have a double line, this means you have to write the number in letters. You have to write the number in letters. Read with me, huh? O-N-E, yes, 1, huh? T-W-O, 2, huh? 3, and F-O. Remember what I said? We have to look at the second letter. Yes, 4, and the last one is 5. 5. Excellent. Let's go and count the first box. Okay. Here, 1, 2, and 3 candies, right? So 3, where's number 3? Yes, it's up here. We're going to write number 3. 3. Okay, how many cupcakes? Just only 1. So we're going to write number 1. And 1 is a crazy word. O-N-E, 1. What about the ice cream? How many ice cream? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so we're going to write number 5. Yes, 5. Okay, how many lollipops? Okay, we have only 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to write number 4. 4. And the last one, how many? 1, 2. So we're going to write number 2. Okay, if you still cannot write the numbers very well, you can just look up there and write them, but you have to study them very well. Okay, let's move to the next one. The alligator again. You still remember? The alligator eats what? Eats the bigger number. The alligator eats the bigger number. He opens his mouth to the bigger number. The first one we have 3, number 3, and number 1. So he's going to open his mouth to which number? Yes, number 3. Excellent, because he's going to eat 3 fish, the bigger one. Let's do it. Yes. Slash, slash. Okay, let's move to the next one. Okay, here we have number 2 and number 5. Which one is bigger? Excellent. 5 is more than 2, so it's going to open its mouth to the bigger number. The last one we have, yes, read it. Excellent. We have 4 and 5. Which is bigger, 4 or 5? Excellent. 5 is bigger, so he opens its mouth to the bigger number. Let's move to the next row. Here we have number 2 and number 4. Which one's bigger? Number 4. Excellent. So the alligator is going to open his mouth to number 4. Here we have 4 and 1. Which one is bigger? 4 fish or 1 fish? Yes, 4. So the alligator is going to open his mouth to number 4. The last one we have 5 and 3. Okay. Which number is bigger, 5 fish or 3 fish? 5. So the alligator is going to open his mouth to number 5. Is it easy? Yes, it is. If you remember the story that the alligator has to open his mouth to the bigger number, it will be very, very easy. Okay, that's for today. Thank you. Bye.